this lesson is on using place value to add. I like to call this strategy the break apart strategy too, because what we're going to do is we're going to break apart their numbers by their place value. So let's look at this first problem. It says 32 plus 56. Remember I said we're going to break it apart by its place value. So when we look at 32, let's say, look at the tens place, and what does 32 represent in tens? Well, that would be 30. When we looked at 56, it would be 50, if we saw how many tens. So 30 plus 50 is 80. Now we have our ones left over, which would be 2 plus 6. We know that 2 plus 6 is 8. And then when we add 80 plus 8, we get the answer 88. So this is just another way to add double-digit numbers. Let's try another one. Here we have 48 plus 49. Well, let's look in the tens first. So 48 would be 40, and 49 would be 40 as well. We know that 40 plus 40 is 80. Now the reason we're using this strategy is because it's really easy to do in your head. 48 plus 49 is kind of difficult to do with the regrouping and everything going on, so what we're doing is we're adding up in pieces because it's easier. Then we have to go to our ones, 8 plus 9, and we know that 8 plus 9 is 17. 80 plus 70 is 97. We can do that all in our head. Let's try another one. This is a triple digit problem. It still works, we're just going to break it down by the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. So we have 153 plus 267. So let's look in the hundreds place first. So 153 would be 100. 267 would be 200. Well, I know in my head that 100 plus 200 is 300. Now let's go to the tens. We have here and here, so the 53 would be 50. The 67 would be 60. Well, I know that 50 plus 60 is 110. Now let's go to the ones. We have 3 and 7. Well, I know that 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. And when I add up all these, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 1 is 4. My answer is 420. Let's try one more. Another triple digit. So 219 plus 429. Well, in 219, this would be 200. In 429, this would be 400. And I know that 200 plus 400 is 600. 10 plus 20, because this becomes a 10. The 2 represents the 20 in that problem. And 10 plus 20 is 30. Now we have to add our ones. Well, our doubles, 9 plus 9, are equal to 18. Now I can add this up really quickly and easily. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. We bring our 6 down. Our answer is 648. That ends our lesson today on using place value to add.